Hi everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Mindset. In today's video, we will discuss how to start learning coding from scratch. Whether you are a school student, a college student, coming from a tech or BCA background, preparing for placements, or interested in freelancing in areas like web development or app development, this video is for you. Even if you are a working professional already doing a job, and you've developed a desire to learn coding today, this video is tailored for you. By watching this video in its entirety, you will understand exactly how to approach coding based on your specific requirements. The first thing we are discussing is the ideal path, which is a 4-step process. In this video, we will explain these 4 steps. Whether you are in school, college, or working a job, following these 4 steps will help you become a proficient coder. In this process, the first step is deciding what to learn. This means identifying the type of coding you want to do. You need to be clear about this right from the start. The second step is choosing the right programming language. Different types of coding require different languages. For example, if you want to create a website, you'll use one set of languages. If you're building an app, you'll need a different programming language. And if you're creating a game, there's yet another set of tools and languages for that. Based on your goal, you need to figure out which language to learn, which tools are required, and what your learning process will look like. The third step is to learn the basics. Once you've understood the fundamentals, you can start directly implementing the code. Finally, the fourth step is to build a project. In coding, whatever you learn needs to be applied to real-world projects. This is how you gain practical knowledge and experience. So these are the 4 steps you need to follow to become a good coder. Decide what to learn, choose the right language, learn the basics, and build a project. In this process, the first step is deciding what to learn. Here, you have several options depending on your goals. You might aim for placements or be interested in building iOS apps, Android apps, websites, working in data science, game development, or software development. Knowing your goal is the first and most important step. Moving to the second step, it's all about selecting the right programming language based on your goal. If your focus is placements, I recommend 2 of the best languages, Java and C++. If you're interested in Java, we are starting a Java series that includes data structures, algorithms, and LeetCode solutions. For iOS app development, I recommend learning Swift. For Android apps, you can use Java or Kotlin. If you want to build websites, you have many options. For the front end, you can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the back end, you can choose Node.js or Django. If you're interested in data science, go with Python, R, or MATLAB. For game development, you can pick C++ or C#, and for software development, choose Java, C# or Golang. In the third step, focus on learning the basics of the language you've chosen. Start with concepts like variables, conditional statements, loops, and arrays. These are the building blocks of any programming language. Finally, the fourth step is to build a project. Begin with a simple project to apply what you've learned. Once you're comfortable, move on to more complex projects to gain deeper, practical experience. So, in summary, the 4 steps to becoming a good coder are: 1. Decide what to learn based on your goals. 2. Choose the right programming language. 3. Learn the basics of that language. 4. Build projects to gain practical knowledge. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering coding.